Hello guys, you're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create and start a faceless YouTube channel. Alright, a faceless YouTube channel like what you are seeing here. This is an example of a faceless YouTube channel. Look at it. All the videos on this particular site, let me go to videos. All the videos on this site you are seeing here, they are done with the help of a tool called AI. Alright, so AI has been able to create videos like this. Alright, so in this video too, I'll be showing you how to start your own faceless YouTube channel without showing your face, without recording any video, and you have a good content to post on your YouTube channel. Alright, so this is the first time I'm coming to my channel. Please do well to subscribe and smash the notification bell so you'll always be notified whenever new videos are posted. Alright, so without wasting much time, I'll be showing you the two best tools that will enable you to create videos and upload on your channel. Right, whether you are creating a video, a short video or a full-blown video, you can use this AI, these tools I'm going to be showing you to create videos and upload on your channel. All right, so the first tool we'll be looking at is called invideo.io. The name of the link will be shown in the description of this video. All right, so the link is called invideo.io. Right, so this is the first one. You can see that invideo.io. So once you go over to the site, right, this is how the site looks like. Right, so if you come over to the site, you just sign up. All right, so I will drop the link of this video, the link of this tool I'm telling you about in the description of this video, so you can have access to it. And now let's quickly walk over this tool I'm telling you. It now says create videos with text prompt. All right, so it says enter your topic, and InVideo AI gets to work instantly. Whenever you put the particular topic on the video, on this particular tool, it will help you to create the script, the scene, and also add voiceover. All right, I'll be showing you all of that in this video. All right, so now let's look at what you have there. It says it generates script, creates scene, add voiceover, and more. All right, and it says try InVideo AI. All right, like I always advise, this particular AI we are talking about has come to stay. It enables you to create videos effortlessly. Right, all of these things will be done for you effortlessly, like what you are seeing there. Now without wasting much time, let me take you over to where we are going to be doing this work. Okay, now this is it. The moment you sign up with the link in the video, the first link in the description of this video, once you click on it and sign up, you have access to this particular dashboard. Right, so all you need to do is to come over to this place, then put the topic you want to talk about. Right, put the topic you want to talk about. I can come over and say how to be a good wife, or how to be a good spouse. How to be a good spouse. Right, so this is what I want this particular AI to create video on. All right, so once you do that, you come over to clone your voice. If you want them to use your voice, you have to pay. Right, this is the monthly fee, and this is the yearly fee, and they charge you $20 per month. If you want to pay per month, you can have it $25. Right, so that is that. Then once you come over to this place, what kind of video do you want to do? Is it a YouTube explainer or a video short? And there are still more. If you click on explore more, you can see recent event videos, script to video, TikTok video, Instagram reels. All right, since I'm going to be creating a YouTube short, so I will just come over to this place and click on YouTube short. Okay, then now say give me details of what should be of what the short should be about. All right, so I will say okay, I've said this, the video should create to be about how to be a good spy. Highlight the things, highlight the key points on how to be a good spouse. Right, so this is what I want to say. Highlight the key points on how to be a good spouse. All right, so use a voice of a male or a female. Right, I can say use a voice of a male or a female. Right, I can say a male. Right, then any voice, you can see where it says clear American voice. All right, use a voice of a California accent, a New Yorker, or a Southern. There are so many accents there. Right, so you just pick the one that you like, or Indian English, or Australian voice, or young Indian voice. Okay, so I'll just go with a New Yorker, a voice of a New Yorker. Then I'll come to say, okay, add a subtitle. If you want to add a subtitle, I can click on add a subtitle. I don't want to use iStock. I don't want to use iStock images. Okay, so once you are able to put all of these things in place, I'll click on continue. Now this is what it says here. This is it's trying to be sure that what we are doing is correct. I say create a YouTube short about, sorry, okay, let me just go back. Let me just edit. Okay, on on how to be, all right, on how to be a good spouse, setting, use a male voice with a New Yorker accent. Don't use iStock. So once I'm able to do that, I'll now click on generate video. All right. As you can see, it's analyzing the tools I put there, and now he wants to create the video for me. So what I will do is I'll just pause this video and allow you to create the video. Once it's done, we can now take it over from there. All right. So let's just wait for you to generate the video. All right, so now you can see it's asking for the kind of audience this video is meant for. All right, so I will now say it's for relationship enthusiasts or couples or newlywed. Right, whichever one of them, I can just say relationship, those that are interested in relationship. So I will say that, then I will say look and feel. Okay, I just say inspiring. That's the kind of video I wanted to create, inspiring kind of video. I'll click on inspiring, then YouTube short, then I'll click on continue. So now it's about to finalize the video for me. Right, so we'll just still wait again for it to just do the, can you see now 5% of the video is ready. So just almost, we are almost there. So let's just wait for it to round up. All right, as you can see, the video is ready. So let's play it and see how far let's see how far this video is. So now let's click on play.
Boom! You're in the heart of the action, cheering on your favorite team, when suddenly you're handed the grill tongs. It's your turn to be the souse, the
Can you see this particular
unsung hero of every sports gathering.
These are the kind of videos
So how do you
post on your InShot,
nail it? First, remember that timing is everything. You've got to keep one eye on the game and the other on the grill.
So if you are done, now click on export.
Variety is the spice of life.
Once you click on export videos, the video will be downloaded
dogs,
to your
veggie
YouTube, to your system. So if I click on this now,
keep them
export, right? So it's asking me without watermark and the rest of them. So once I'm able to upgrade, it will just download without watermark. All right. So I'll click on, I will not just upgrade, I'll just download like that. So that is how you create videos with this particular tool. Then the second one is called Synthesia. All right, this is the second tool. It's called Synthesia. So all you need to do is to sign up on the account. The link, I will also drop the link of the second one in the description of this video. So once you come over to the site, you can sign up like as I'm about to do that now. So I'll just come over to this place, just put this. Okay, then how did you hear about us from a friend? I just put this. I'm not a robot. All right, I'll click on generate free videos. Okay, I will mark this and I'll click on generate free videos. Okay, so that is how to sign up with Synthesia. All right, you can see they are loading up. Okay, see, you can see where it says thank you now. All right, your video is making its way to your email. All right, so this is just for the stuff. So what I'll do is I'll just click on see pricing. All right, so okay, these are the various price you have there. So I'll just log in. I'll just log into the account. Okay, you can see that with these two tools I've shown you, you can create your videos. Right, so say, okay, it says welcome to, I'll just sign in with the email. Sign in with the email. Right, just do that. I'll click on continue. Right, so this particular registration is very easy. So you just follow the process through. Right, good. We are already there. All right, so for this Synthesia, they are asking for payment before you can have access to it. So if you are able to do this now, for example, you are saying, okay, you want to be creating videos, so you can just go for the monthly plan or the one of $67 or $22. Right, look at what it says there. One video, one editor, 3 guest commentator. While this one is one editor 5. Then this one can allow you to create 120 videos in a year, while this allow you to create 360 videos in a year. So these particular tools you are seeing there, they will allow you to create videos and upload on your channel, whether you are going for the faceless, the short videos or the explainer video. All right. So these are the tools that you need to start your YouTube faceless channel. All right. Hope you got value from this particular video. All right. If you do, just give this video a like and hit the smash the subscription button so you can always notify whenever new videos are posted. All right. Thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. See you in my next video.